Next on WFAA News at 5, a new arrest in the death of an Arlington police officer. What led police to releasing the first person they arrested?
Now to a developing story in Dallas County where authorities have cleared one man of all charges and arrested someone else for a hit-and-run crash that killed an Arlington police officer. This investigation has taken several twists and turns. Kevin Reese is live in our newsroom with how investigators reached a new conclusion.
Yeah, this hit-and-run case dates back to September of last year, and the death of Arlington motorcycle officer Darren McMichael remains unsolved. But as of today, deputies believe they have found the right suspect this time. Arlington police officer Darren McMichael was killed when he was thrown from his motorcycle and run over by another car. The search for that car led to phone records and two potential suspects allegedly in that car at the time. A key question in the investigation is who was the one driving. Both of the suspects have lengthy criminal records. They've been arrested together before in other incidents. But we've learned that the first person arrested insisting he wasn't the one driving has since been released and the charges dropped. Now Dallas County Sheriff's Department tell us they have determined that 22-year-old Ryan Shamar Luckett is the person they were really looking for. And when they issued an arrest warrant for him, they found him already in jail in Jackson, Mississippi on a parole violation. They are holding him now until he can be brought back to Dallas.
So I think it's good police work. From my perspective, I think they're just going down the list of finally getting to the actual individual suspect that may have been the person responsible for driving the vehicle, hitting the officer, and certainly not stopping.
And at this very moment, we have a reporting team interviewing the Dallas County Sheriff right now to determine when that suspect will be brought back to Dallas to face these charges. In the newsroom, I'm Kevin Reese. Chris, back to you.
Thanks for that update, Kevin.